In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Gmail and Google account on laptop PC. To begin, open your laptop and launch a web browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar at the top, go to the Google account sign-up page. This is the official page where you create a new Google account, and it is also what you will use to set up a new Gmail address. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Create Account. Click it, and then choose the option for personal use. Selecting personal use helps make sure you are creating a standard account that works with Gmail and other Google services like YouTube, Google Drive, and Google Docs. Next, you will be asked to enter some basic information. Type your first name and last name in the fields provided. After that, enter your birthday and select your gender. Take your time here and make sure everything is accurate, because this information can be used later for account recovery and to help confirm it is your account. After you finish that section, you will create your username. This username becomes your Gmail address, so choose something you can remember and feel comfortable sharing. As you type, Google may tell you if the username is already taken. If it is not available, adjust it slightly until the system accepts it. A helpful tip is to keep it simple and avoid extra symbols that are easy to mistype. Now it is time to set your password. Create a strong password that is unique and difficult to guess. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Also, choose something you will be able to recall later without writing it somewhere public or easy to access. A strong password is important because it protects your email and everything connected to your Google account. Once your password is entered, you have completed the key parts of setting up your Gmail and Google account on your laptop. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.